Welcome! If you're looking to give your Messenger app a fresh new look that's easier on your eyes, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to enable dark mode on Messenger with the latest steps for 2024. Whether you want to save battery life or just prefer a sleek, dark interface, turning on dark mode is quick and simple. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open up the Messenger app. You'll see your recent chats and conversations right on the main screen. Now, look towards the top left or top right corner. Depending on your device, you'll find the menu icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on that menu icon. Once you're in the menu, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find Settings. Tap on Settings to open up the app's customization options. Now here's where the magic happens. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Dark Mode. It might be near the top, so you won't have to scroll too far. Tap on Dark Mode, and you'll see a few choices pop up. To enable dark mode, simply select On. Instantly, your Messenger app will switch to a darker color scheme, making it much easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments. If you ever want to switch back, just follow these same steps and choose Off or System to match your phone's settings. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on Messenger. Now you can enjoy chatting with friends and family without the harsh glare of a bright screen. Plus, dark mode can help conserve your device's battery, especially if you're using an OLED display. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Messenger look.